What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and the GoPro Mini 11 Saga continues. I'd show you my GoPro Mini 11 right now, but I can't. I shipped it away more than 10 days ago to GoPro, and I still don't have a replacement. On Monday, when they had already had it for 3 days, I contacted them and said, hey, what the fuck? Where's my GoPro? When are you shipping the replacement? And they told me, oh, no worries, sir. We'll have it shipped out to you in 7 to 8 days. I said, bullshit. You either issue me a refund right now or you ship it out today or tomorrow. That's it. And they said, okay, no problem, sir. We'll ship it out for you within 24 hours. Okay. So then 24, 48, 72 hours goes by. It's now Thursday, 4 days later, and they still hadn't shipped a thing. So I reached out again, called them up, said, hey, what the fuck, GoPro? Where's my camera? I bought this in October. I still don't have a working camera. You guys delayed it more than a month. Finally shipped it out, and here we are. We got a broken camera in the mail that just freezes and loses my footage every time I try to use it. So they said, no problem, sir. We actually shipped it out this morning, just 2 hours ago. I'm like, well, why the fuck don't I have tracking if you actually shipped it 2 hours ago? No, oh, well, I'll send you tracking in just a few. And I'm like, dude, if you've got tracking on something you already shipped, then why don't I have the tracking yet? Send me the tracking now. So then they did. They sent me the tracking. And there's no delivery date. The label has been created. It's not on its way. Not on its way. It's just been created. They're fucking around with me more. Not shipping the thing. I'm so fucking pissed off. I demanded a refund, and they told me now that it's been more than 30 days since I made my purchase, and I'm not eligible for a refund. I'm like, fuck you. I still don't have a working camera. You either ship me this motherfucker immediately, or you give me my fucking money back. So supposedly it's on the way. There's no fucking way to tell though, because there's no delivery date. But if it's actually coming on the way here, as soon as I get it, I will open it up and test it again. And you know damn well that if it ain't fucking working, I'm getting a refund. Fuck you, GoPro. Fuck you.